Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to set a ringtone. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to set a ringtone. So to set a ringtone, first we need to on the setting, and then we can just search it here also on, and you can scroll down also by searching it. Then we have to click here on sound and vibration, click there, and then here you will see a ringtone. So now you see here the ringtone, so click the ringtone. Then you can add any ringtone that you wanted. Here you can click any ringtone. So after that you can also click the ringtone from your downloaded audio also, and this you can click any ringtone from here also. And here also here also default notification ringtone also same as here also. You can just search it here and you can click any you wanted. So and if you wanted to add your select your downloaded song also, here you can select any from here. So and here depend on here on the iPad also, lock screen sound also if you want it, and vibrate or touch also, it will vibrate it if you want this. So here dial pad also, if you want that you will get the dial pad tone. So this is it guys of how to set a ringtone. So thank you for watching and I hope you like it.